What is going on, guys? We are back. It's been a long time since I made a video, but today we're actually going to be putting we're gonna tint the side marker lights on the Hellcat today. I got a kit from Luxe lighting, I believe. It comes with a cleaning solution, and then it comes with, I got the side marker mid-stealth decals to go over those marker lights. So there's two different ones, one for the wide body, one for the regular. So we are going to work on doing these. It shouldn't take too long, but I'll show you how to do it. So first thing to do, I'm going to open this. I believe it cleaned the area really well. They provided some cleaning spray. So I'm going to do that first. This comes free with the kit. And I'll put a link in the description below where I bought this from. We'll see how it turns out. I'm just going to wipe the area down. Get it all nice and clean. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this in here, put the squeegee in there, and try to get all that dirt and stuff out. You can see there's some dirt in there. So next, I'm actually going to take a hair dryer because I do not have a heat gun. Something I need to buy. I'm gonna heat up the area, try to get the rest of that moisture out of there, and then we'll put the decal on. Alright, so here's the decals. I think they give you extras in case you mess up, but they should be, I hope they're labeled. I guess they're not labeled. That looks, I wonder if they're all the same. Yeah, they gave me a couple extras, but it looks like they're all the same shape. Yeah, they're pretty much all the same size. So there's no difference between the front and the back then. It looks like it goes on there like that. So I'm going to pull this off. So this should stick. It should fit a little bit on the top. Put the corner on there like this. So it's going to overlap just a little bit. And I'll show you what to do with that. So actually fit really well. So what we're going to do is, using the hair dryer, we'll heat up the edges and kind of poke the excess behind the light to get it a full wrap around. There we have it. The marker light is tinted black. It looks really good. So yeah, we'll do this around all four of these, and then I'll show you the finished. Alright, so they're all done. It takes about 10 minutes. This one done. Now the one we had trouble with was actually the front one, because on the wide body you can see it actually goes onto the fender flare. So it's really easy to stretch this piece, and I recommend having a razor blade where you can cut the excess off because it'd actually be too wide once you heat it up and press it in there. But no, it turned out fine. These are just a little difficult to put on the front ones. Like I said, because of the fender flares, you got to kind of wrap it around, but it worked out well. We'll take another shot over here. You can kind of see the black here and over here. It probably look better in the sunshine, but that is done. I can do this, super easy to do. Anyone can do this if you got a hairdryer. Easy to work that tint. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment below. Take care and have a great day.